8mm screw, loosen the hose clamp, one Christmas tree grommet holding a hose in, one electrical connector, and then there's one push pin to remove that air intake resonator. It's also sitting on a couple of rubber grommets. You gotta pull it up, pop it off of those. And it's a little snug, but you can wiggle and weave it out of there. Coil's sitting right there. It's one 10mm screw and one electrical connector. Easy to access coils 1 and 3, possibly 5, 2, 4, and 6 are a different story. There's a seal that goes onto the throttle body. Put it on to the air intake resonator before reinstalling. Take note of the location of the rubber grommets that need to pop on to mount that air intake resonator. Plugging that electrical connector back in, that hose with the Christmas tree, and the one push pin. Tighten that hose clamp up. And then there's a little cover that just pops onto the engine.